is amazing. Look outside. Oh, is that Bigfoot? Is that even real? Hey, you think he wants to play with some of this?
Well, we should ask him.
Hey, buddy, you want to play with some of this?
Hey,
Look in here. Look at us. Hey, you want to play with this? That must be him. Let's answer it.
wait for me, okay? It's stuck in my eyebrow.
Well, I know one thing. You better hurry up and get that out your eyebrow, or you're gonna have to shave it off.
You gotta do something. I don't want to lose an eyebrow. I don't want it shaven off.
What? Wait a second. I think I have an idea. Come on. Here we go. There. I've tied one end of this string to that stuff in your eyebrow. I'm about to tie the other end of the string to my remote control car, and then I'm gonna hit the gas.
Are you sure this is gonna work?
It's worth a try.
Let's do it.
Come on.
Please tell me it's working, Jesse.
It's not working yet. I'm about to kick it into overdrive.
Hey dudes, just use this comb to get it out. That's how you do it. Stop being so extra.
I'll try it. There, get it. It's all out your eyebrow.
Yes.
I'm gonna go throw this out now, because we don't want this to happen to anybody else.
Whatever happened to that Bigfoot, I wonder?
Who knows? Contest time!
Can you guess how many pieces of cereal are in this bowl?
The person that gets it right first will get a shout out in our next video. Become part of the Jesse Mike tribe and hit that subscribe button.
Turn notifications on. And if you want to see our previous video and more videos like the one you just watched,
Click on the video links in the description below.